If you've never known the joys of walks in late summer or gathering cattails for autumn bouquets, let us be the first to encourage you to try this easy floral craft. Cattails are easy to preserve and they'll last for years. We'll show you how it's done with love for a country house. Cattails can be found anywhere where water will run over their roots, like the edges of ponds or even drainage ditches. You might want to wear some boots when you're hunting them, and be sure to bring some clippers. Now that we're seasoned cattail hunters, we've started noticing the different shapes. There's the classic, the still green, the hot dog, the ball, the double, the tawny whites, and the one we haven't seen in our area yet, the pencils. Aren't those cool? Oh, and of course, there's the exploded cattails that blow their fluffy seeds all over the terrain and in some places can be invasive. But we're still foraging for them in the country and looking for the ones that haven't exploded. The thing is, if you can find a perfect cattail after bad weather and wind, most likely it'll make it home in your car without exploding. When we get them home, we push the stems into a block of floral foam, which we anchor on both sides with bricks. The bricks are an important step because cattails are very, very top heavy. We also brush the catkins very lightly to remove any stray fluff. And when we were kids, we used to spray cattails with our mom's Aquanet hairspray, but nowadays we use Mod Podge clear acrylic sealer, and it's been working great. Just give your cattails a coat of acrylic sealer, and after a few minutes drying, you can begin decorating with them. This year we combined our cattails with lots of things we could find around our house and garden or at the grocery store, and we set up a display on the hearth of this log cabin room in our Victorian house. The cattails fit well in a tall florist bucket and are supported by bunches of flowers. But remember, cattails are so top heavy, they'll tip over in a heartbeat if you don't support them. So this year, it was living flowers with our cattails, but you can also display them with dried plants and grasses or even autumn leaves. We found a way to preserve autumn leaves with furniture wax, and it's easy and fun and works so well. If you love flower arranging, we hope you'll subscribe to this channel so you won't miss the video on easy leaf preservation with wax. We think it was kind of sort of brilliant and works so well. And if you can find a stand of cattails or even grow them, they look great in containers, especially the miniature ones. You'll have the velvety catkins for your flower arrangements too. And there are numerous ways people use this Native American plant. Check it out sometime and you'll learn about all the creative ways this plant shines. We've got more photos of this project on our website and much more in our archives, and would love if you left a comment and click the like button to turn it blue, then click on the sun logo to subscribe. See you later.